ClamAV is built for manual scans of suspected files, not as other companies that works on Windows like Kaspersky or Avera, but it leaks real-time production. That's why we integrated with Maldet to create a 24/7 automated shield. I have built a custom script that packs everything you need: official download links, auto extractions, and default configuration. It's designed to bypass manual installation and to save you from common errors. Just run it and let the script to do the heavy lifting. So how we got the ClamAV working in real time? Well, we integrate it as the core engine for Maldet. By linking them, Maldet uses inotify to watch your file system like a reader. The moment a file is created or changed, it's handed over the ClamAV for lighting fast scan. Also, I ran a real-time stress test to prove it works. I injected malicious code directly through the terminal to see if the system would catch it immediately or wait for me to find it. The result: incident detection. The engine didn't wait for a manual scan. It spotted the threats running in the background and neutralized it before it could even touch the disk. Now let's go back to installation process. The installation almost done. All you're gonna do in this process is restarting your computer. And boom, it's restarted. After restarting your PC, the first thing you should do is opening the terminal and type clamscan space dash dash version. Hit enter from your keyboard. Clamscan dash dash version. This command to verify your installation process. It shows your engine version and the database date. Now type sudo maldet -d. To make this protection permanent, we use the D flag, which is standard for daemon mode. This command pushes Maldet to run quietly in the background as the system suffers. It stays awake 24/7, watching every file change in real time without you ever needing to lift a finger. It's the set it and forget it mode for your surface's security. I will just have a comment here. If you face it error code 522, watch this little tiny baby video 1 minute and it will make you fix this issue. But if you just didn't have any issue, you will continue with me, the installation process. And the only thing has left is, now that the virus database are up to date, use this command to verify you have the latest core engine version, which is sudo maldet space -u. Now hit enter. Latest signature set already installed. Now it's time for moving to another section, which is testing the result and the engine virus. To monitor everything in real time, run this command to follow the event log and see the engine in action, which is activated real time on your PC. On the other side, the malicious code that we will run through the terminal to see if the engine will detect any suspicious behavior or no. And yes, it catched it. Wiki surprise to text. So surprise, surprise.